This 2022 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 34H5 triple slide, 1.5 baths as a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a cream, gray, tan classic neutrals interior, sleeps 5, skylight, self-contained, slide-out, TV, external shower, air conditioning, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2022 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT534H5 triple slide, 1.5 baths is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.